Alright, today I'm going to go over some things you can do to take care of your bike after a sandy ride. You know, because if you don't do some of these things after a sandy ride, that sand will stay in your bike and, you know, your bearings and rotors and all that stuff will just wear out a lot more fast. So basically all we're going to do is clean up the chain really good and take the wheels off and clean up the bearings, the axles. First I'm going to take the chain off. Clean your chain. It'll last a lot longer. So obviously you want to give it a good rinse after you ride it before you take it apart. Get all that dirt and mud off, but then all the stuff that is still behind, you know. Now you want to just clean up the bike a little bit with some spray, the spots that you couldn't really get. And if you got an oily spray, like WD-40 or, you know, like an oil-based stuff, make sure you don't spray your brake pads. See all that sand in there? No good, don't want that. Might as well get her good while I'm at it.
Look at all that junk. Pretty clean bike. Definitely want to do this on your new bikes.
Once you get her all nice and clean, all your little parts, you know, then you gotta re-grease it with some good, clean, new grease.
Clean grease. And then stuff don't really wear. If you're taking care of it good, it's going to wear very slowly. And stuff will last a lot.
Grease in there. It's kind of the same as the axle, but
This is pretty easy. Just, it can be tricky. Can be, but just make sure you got your brake on your brake side and just throw it back in there. Once you get the rotor and the pads in there, bad. Shove that axle back through.
yeah, got some of this stuff. Try it out. A little bit of this. This will help clean it and lube it. I like to tension the chain while it's under the weight of the bike. Cause you know, if you do it while you're in the air and then you put some weight on the bike, you know, it kind of throws it all off. Perfect. Perfect. Last thing, air filter. Don't forget about that. Super important. Clean that and lubricate that. And you'll be good for the next sandy ride. Look how good that stuff worked. Clean it up super good, but I gotta get a new one. Cause I ripped it. Be careful, don't rip it. Cause you don't wanna run that. That's gonna let all types of dirt. But yeah, this is some good stuff. This is some good stuff. Maxima.